Why is it burned? It's fine. I like my hot dog black. I like it when it's not fully burned. It's totally burned. Hala! 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 Ano pala ako ng kanton? Hala! Oh my God! Guys! Black na guys! Uy! Ano? Naan ko! Don't talk when your mouth is full. I'm not joking. It's burned everywhere.
Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God! What is that?
Just cooking my burnt hot dog.
Seconds earlier.
Sino magaling magluto sa Bini? Magaling? Laman?
Nag-graduate na ako college niya.
Graduate ka na?
Nag-graduate na.
Naiyak ako. Naiyak ka. Mag-ikaw mo na eh.
Eh, thank you.
We are here with you and you are here with us. Ay, pero nagpapakita din, Sheena's performance. That's machine.
Ano na ba yung comment nyo kay Sheena?
Wala ba ako spectacular? Sheena, ano sunod sa A? B! Paano yun?
Paano ko nga ginawa yun? Na-awkward.
May lagnat ka ba? Lasing. Ang cringe. Ano bang meron? Ano nagagawa ng kubo?
Ayoko na guys.
Sorry, nag-take over yung kuya ko.
Sheena, para sa ating mga kamorkada, ano bang pwede mong i-advise sa mga pupunta this weekend? Diba?
Advice po sa mga magbe-beach?
Yes.
Yes. You should wear sunscreen if you don't want to get burned. Kasi I'm burned. And, bring snacks. Kasi baka yung resort na pupuntahan mo, overpriced.
Okay.
If you wanna see under the sea, bring goggles. Yes, and magdala kayo ng sariling shampoo and sabon.
Okay.
Para hindi kayo nagsisigawan sa CR.
Parang based on experience ba ito, Sheena?
Mag-offer na mag-extend yung Bini. Would you extend?
No!
Joke lang yun, guys, ha? Baka kalaan naman.
Bloom, gusto ko 50 years yung Bini. Aling ha.
Ganun pa, dapat lang ako.
Jongwon or Bini?
Jungwon!
Jongwon!
Jungwon all the way! Who are you?
Kabahan ka man lang. Kabahan ka.
Hala! We were killed!
News update. 8 magkakaibigang patay sa sunog sa Baguio City.
Nagbibini road trip lang naman kami.
Oh no, knock on wood.
Na ako next year, Blooms. Hindi na ako tatawa. Alam mo yun?
That's nothing.
Can you share it to us?
No.
No. Wala pa kasi silang sagot daw kasi.
Init! Init talaga. It's me. I'm a solo stan. It's fine! I love me.
If I would be an animal, I would like to be a cat or a tiger. Because
Lapit ni.
Because it's Jongwon and Nikki.
because I want to be a cat. You can meow. If you're a tiger, you can roar. Roar? Roar? Tiger. Ay, sorry. Ano ba yung tiger?
Tiger.
Meow but bigger.
Why do you... Bakit gusto mag-meow?
I want to meow so that I can contribute to the world.
Noise pollution.
When you can meow, like in that time, chickens magic, I can meow like the worms here in our house, the EVs, they can substitute, they can melt into a mountain. And the gas, solid, and medium is equal to y-axis. Like you're just transpose siya into warm, tsaka na sa in the middle, in the power of 8. What is the final answer? Meow. Okay, very good.
Okay, ang
Thank you.
Wow! A pufferfish! What? A pufferfish! Oh my gosh! There's a pufferfish! There's a pufferfish!
Wala namatay. Sabihin ko pa lang na ano eh. Itagda mo sa pagkamo.
Eh di wag mo itaga. Ayaw niya pala eh. Eh di wag. Wag na. Tataga pa eh.
Blooms? Blooms, hello? Blooms? 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 Blooms, hello?
Excuse me. Hi. What's
What's your name?
I'm Sheena.
Can I take a photo of you?
Sure po.
Okay.
Hala, nakatulog ako.